Hello friends, in this video let us learn an old woman poem by Indian poet Arun Kolkatar, which is part of his collections of poem named J. Jury, published in 1976. The poem portrays the transformation of an old woman from a feeble, marginalized existence to a position of power and respect. When we look at this structure of the poem is divided into two sections. In the first section, the poet describes the old woman in a state of vulnerability and neglect. In the second section, there is a significant shift in the tone as the old woman gains strength and commands respect. So, when we look at the section 1, the poem begins by depicting the old woman as weak and overlooked. She is described as bent, double like a question mark, which not only suggests her physical state but also symbolizes the uncertainty and anonymity of her existence. She is invisible to the world, unnoticed by people passing by. The poet uses vivid imagery to describe her poetry. Her clothes are described as patches, sacking, and she carries her belongings in a plastic shopping bag. In the second section, there is a radical transformation in the old woman's demeanor. She gains strength and a sense of purpose. The poet describes her as a brandizing a beggar's ball, which signifies a newfound confidence and authority. People now acknowledge her presence. She is a commanding figure. The poem concludes with a powerful image of her standing in the sunshine, which symbolizes her success emerges from the shadows of neglect. So, in this, generally, there are themes like one marginalization and empowerment, also strength and dignity, visibility and invisibility, or discussed. An old woman is a poignant exploration of this transformation of a marginalized individual into a figure of strength and authority, emphasizing the resilience of the human spirit and the significance of acknowledging the worth of every person in society.